Dating back over 100 years in Nihonbashi Tokyo is something called Oyakodon. Oyako means parent and child, and don is short for Donburi, which is a rice ball. To make this delicious rice ball, you're going to need onions. You can chop them up any way you like, but I prefer bigger chunks for this. Then you're going to need some eggs. And the star of the show, the parent. So you need to dice the chicken, but first you should remove the skin. After you cut up the parent, it's time to stir up the children. So whisk the eggs until well combined. Then mix dashi, homemade of course. Some soy sauce. Mirin. A little more mirin. And some sugar. It's like a sweet and savory broth. I like to fry the onions in some sesame oil first. And from up high, drop some salt and some pepper and fried onions. Next, add the sweet and savory broth to the pan. We're going to simmer this until it's reduced by half and thickens up a bit. Then put in the chopped up parent. After kind of boil steaming on one side for a bit, flip them over. Now I took out half of the mixture because I'm making 2 portions. Then it's time for your eggs. Remember I said whisk them together well? I didn't. You can see it blobbed up there. That's not good, it should be a continuous small stream, like at the end there. Pop on the lid and wait until the eggs are set just the way you like them. There should be some broth next to the eggs, because it is used to flavor the rice. Top your rice with everything. And you're all set. Congratulations, you just made Oyakodon, one of the biggest rice ball staples in Japan. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, click like, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.